everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip you click on settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click on trip, as you see. Here in this page, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. In this window, you will click on storage and then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for watching.